What's up, guys? All right, it's Saturday morning. It's kind of nice out. I'm running errands. I'm gonna go buy a chainsaw, but I did grab 2 poles and my tackle box. There's a few rivers that I can hop onto, like underneath bridges and stuff like that. I can throw a couple of casts, see if I can't get anything today. So that's the game plan. Hell yeah. So basically, I was just looking on the maps. I was passing by kind of a lake, and there's like these little finger roads. I actually found a bar back here. I'm gonna see if I can fish out here by the bar real quick. But yeah, I'm just throwing a lure. Throwing a buzzbait right now, but we're just trying to see if we can catch a fish real quick. That's the goal. It's a beautiful Saturday out, so. See if we can't catch a little quick fish. Looks kind of shallow in here right now. This is just kind of like a back neighborhood thing I looked at on the map. All right, one more. Just using the white buzz bait. Try a couple casts in here. I don't want to get in trouble though. It's a beautiful day out here today. All right, one more throw. Nothing. Sweet. I could work with this. Let's see what we got. Kind of a lot of rocks right here. Let's switch baits. I've never fished this lake before. Nice dead fish there. That looks like a catfish to me.
And that was a hit.
Try a couple casts like with this one and we'll be done. Alrighty, last cast. Alright, I'm almost home, but I got 2 more spots. Right before I get home, there's another lake that I could possibly sneak in, maybe by the dam, but I'm gonna change my 2 baits. I don't know. Maybe I'll change the color. Maybe I'll go to a wacky rig, throw a worm out there. Maybe a little beetle spin action. I'm not sure, but there might still be hope. Either way, the goal was to get a chainsaw, and I got it back there. So, happy Saturday. All right, this might be the last spot, but we'll see what we can do. I just switched it up. I put a spinner bait on there, yellow, and then I got a little worm action going on. We'll see. I do not know how deep it is in here. All right, with this one, I just got it set to weedless. Cast it out there, let it hit the bottom, and you slowly just bring it back. Get it right next to that pier. See if there's any bass under there. Come on. Well, that's a wrap. Didn't catch anything, but that's okay. Still got a chainsaw today. Still had a great time. Tried out 4 different baits. So, happy fishing. Before I go, I'll show you. Here she is. 235 Husqvarna. 18-inch bar. It's got an Oregon bar. She's a beaut, Clark. It'll do the job. Cut some wood soon. Alright, so here's a better look at the saw. It's used. Backstory. The guy, it's a small engine shop. He had it online. I went and reached out and said, hey, you know, I'd buy it $150, and he was like, no, I need $180 for it. And I was like, fine, let's agree on $180. And he's like, okay, come get it. So as I was halfway there, he texted me and says, it's not running right. I'm gonna have to, you know, fix it, and then I can sell it to you. And I said, well, just sell it to me for a deal. I'll take it the way it is. No big deal. I'll fix it. So I got it. I did end up getting it for $150, so it kind of worked out. Comes with 18-inch bar and then a brand new chain. So let me start it up for you. This thing is cold, so. So it does run. Only issue is when it's on, the chain doesn't stop. So chain is supposed to stop when it's idling. Guess I'll start with some carb work and go from there. But all in all, for $150, brand new bar, brand new chain, I can't complain. So I might try to do that on video, clean it up, and see if I can fix it and make it work better. I might include that in a future video. So thanks. Follow.